highs around 40. The 8 to 14 day outlook for Thursday, December 18th through Wednesday, December 24th, calls for both temperatures and precipitation to be above normal. Normal highs for the period are between 35 and 40 degrees, and normal lows are between 20 and 25. The normal precipitation total for the 7 days is between 0.70 and 0.75 inches. At 8 p.m. at Indianapolis, it was cloudy. The temperature was 31 degrees, the dew point 25, and the relative humidity 78%. The wind was west at 18 miles an hour, gusting to 28, producing a wind chill of 19. The barometric pressure was 29.87 inches and rising. Around central Indiana, at Muncie, snow was falling with a temperature of 33. It was cloudy with a temperature of 32 at Anderson, 30 at Zionsville, 31 at Eagle Creek Air Park, and 32 at Shelbyville. Elsewhere across Indiana, at Fort Wayne, snow was falling with a temperature of 31. It was cloudy with a temperature of 30 at South Bend, 31 at Lafayette, 32 at Terre Haute, 32 at Bloomington, and 35 at Evansville. Just outside Indiana, at St. Louis, it was partly cloudy with a temperature of 33. At Dayton, it was mostly cloudy with a temperature of 32. It was cloudy with a temperature of 29 at Chicago, 30 at Champaign, 35 at Cincinnati, and 36 at Louisville. Once again, at Indianapolis it was 31 degrees with cloudy skies. Here is a winter weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Decatur, Hamilton, Hancock, Hendricks, Johnson, Marion, Morgan, Rush, and Shelby. Winter weather advisory now in effect from 5 p.m. Thursday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. Snow expected. Total snow accumulations between 2 and 5 inches with locally higher amounts possible. The areas affected include portions of central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 5 p.m. Thursday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. The following impacts are expected. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Thursday evening and Friday morning commutes. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. And now a special weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Decatur, Hamilton, Hancock, Madison, Marion, Rush, and Shelby. An area of heavy snow will affect southwestern Madison, Hancock, northeastern Shelby, Rush, northeastern Decatur, northeastern Marion, and Hamilton counties. At 8:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an area of heavy snow is located along a line extending from near Georgetown to 8 miles southeast of Greenfield. Movement was southeast at 20 miles per hour. Up to a half of an inch of snow is possible. Locations impacted include Indianapolis, Carmel, Fishers, Noblesville, Lawrence, Greenfield, Rushville, Westfield, Cumberland, Cicero, McCordsville, Fordville, Ingalls, New Palestine, Arcadia, Morristown, Carthage, Milroy, Spring Lake, and Castleton. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 between mile markers 200 and 216. Interstate 70 between mile markers 90 and 111. Icy roads are possible as the snow melts on the roads and quickly refreezes. Conditions can deteriorate rapidly in winter weather situations. Be prepared for snow or ice-covered roads. Slow down and allow extra time when traveling. And now a special weather statement. For the following counties in Indiana: Delaware, and Henry. An area of heavy snow will affect Delaware, southwestern Randolph, and Henry counties. At 8:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an area of heavy snow was located over Muncie, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Up to a half of an inch of snow is possible. Locations impacted include Muncie, New Castle, Yorktown, Eaton, Daleville, Parker City, Farmland, Selma, Sulphur Springs, Merlin, Mount Summit, Lissettville, Strawn, Modoc, Springport, Blount'sville, Summit Lake State Park, Ball State University, and Prairie Creek Reservoir. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 126 and 133. Icy roads are possible as the snow melts on the roads and quickly refreezes. Conditions can deteriorate rapidly in winter weather situations. Be prepared for snow or ice-covered roads. Slow down and allow extra time when traveling. The Indianapolis climate summary is of 7 p.m., December 10, 2025. So far today, the high temperature has been 43 degrees. The normal high is 42. So far today, the low temperature has been 32 degrees. The normal low is 28. 0.23 inches of precipitation has fallen, which brings the monthly total to 0.55 inches. This is 0.38 inches below the normal amount of 0.93 inches for December. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 34.86 inches, which is 6.78 inches below normal. A trace of snow fell, which leaves the monthly total at 3.7 inches. The total snowfall since July 1st now stands at 7.2 inches. The record high for tomorrow is 66, which last occurred in 1931, and the record low is -9, which occurred in 1977. Sunset tonight is at 5:21 p.m. Sunrise tomorrow is at 7:56 a.m. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KEC74 in Indianapolis. And now a look at your forecast for Indianapolis and central Indiana. Rest of tonight. Mostly cloudy. Scattered snow showers through midnight, then scattered flurries toward daybreak. Little or no snow accumulation. Colder with lows in the mid-20s.